professors, Sir Vishwal, and CMO Madam Zeglin, Dr. Rao, Dr. Junibird, and all my staffs. A very good morning, and I welcome you all on this 5 days workshop on management of college libraries and ICT applications. The library is organizing this for the 4th time. I was expecting a lot of participants. Unfortunately, some are still on the way, so they are not able to make it for the inauguration. So they will be coming, and some of them, because of less staffs and all, they will be joining online also. So I welcome you all, the participants who have come from different colleges affiliated to NEHU and other institutions. This is a program we have been doing before also, and we will be doing it in the future. Our purpose of organizing this program is we wanted to connect, we wanted to bring together all the library professionals of Garo Hills. And please remember that NEHU Torah campus is always there for you to help in anything, whether in building your collections, whether in any academic activities. We're trying to cover the whole colleges. So we're trying to bring all together, connect you, and there are a lot of challenges you have to face as a library professionals. So during these 5 days, we're trying to bring, this will be a hybrid workshop where online resource persons will be there, the university librarian is there, and other professors are there from other universities. So I hope this will bring distinct benefit to you all, and then you learn this and try to put it into practice in your colleges. So we have been going around Garo Hills colleges, but we, like our expectations as an experts, as an affiliation team, we're having a lot of expectations from you. So with this training, I think you will be able to improve your library, your services. So with these few words, I welcome you again. I welcome all